Hi students, in this video I'll be going through the 2021 O-Level Mathematics Paper 1 question 14. Alright, so this is a question regarding similar triangles. So in the diagram, ABC and ADE are triangles such that angle ABC equals to angle ADE. Okay, so this angle is equals to this angle. Okay, so we are not told that these two angles are right angles, so never assume that they are 90 degrees, alright? Okay, so we are asked to show that these two triangles are similar. Okay, so if you recall the three tests of similarity, so the first one will be SSS, okay, meaning that we need to find three equal ratios of corresponding sides between the two triangles. Okay, then the second one would be the SAS test. Okay, so we need to find two equal ratios of corresponding sides as well as one pair of included angle that is equal. Okay, then the third test would of course be the AA test. Okay, so for AA, you need to find two pairs of angles that are equal inside the two triangles. Okay, so you do not need to find the third angle because if two angles are the same for the two triangles, then automatically the third angle will be the same because of the angle sum of the sum of angle in a triangle is always equals to 180 degrees, right? Okay, so looking at the question, we need to think about which test we can possibly use for this case. Okay, so if you look at just part A of the question, you can see that there are no lengths given to you. Okay, so if there are no lengths given to you, and then you won't be able to find the ratios of any corresponding sides. Okay, so this means that we can automatically eliminate these two tests already. Okay, it's not possible for us to use these two tests in the context of this question. Okay, then we need to turn our focus to AA. So AA, we need two pairs of equal angles. Okay, one pair has already been given to us in the question. So that would be angle ABC is equals to angle ADE. Okay, so this is given to us, right? Okay, so you just need to find one more pair of equal angles, okay, between the two triangles. Okay, so whenever you have a question whereby you have the two triangles that are overlapping one another, right, you should always look out for common angles. Okay, so in this case, it's actually rather obvious that the common angle is over here. So both the big triangle ABC as well as the smaller triangle ADE, they both share this angle A over here. Okay, so angle A would be a common angle. Okay, so that will give us the second pair of equal angles. Okay, so let's write down. So angle BAC, okay, so this for the big triangle is equals to angle DAE. Okay, so this for the smaller triangle, and the reason is that it's a common angle, right? Right, so now we have our AA ready. So we have actually successfully proven similarity already. Okay, so therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, and the test will be the AA test, right? Okay, so not too difficult of a question. Okay, so let's take a look at part B of the question. Okay, so part B of the question, we are now given some lengths already. Okay, but in general, if you're only given the length in part B, then part A, you should not have to use information that is given to you in part B to solve, right? Okay, so given that AC is 12, so AC is this full length over here. So from here all the way to here. Okay, so over here is 12 cm. Okay, then AB is 10. So AB is all the way from here to here. So AB and AC are lengths in the big triangle. Okay, so AB is 10. Okay, then AE is 9. So over here is 9 cm. So AE is a length in the smaller triangle. They want us to show that CD is 4.5. So in other words, actually they are asking you to find CD. Okay, but now they make it slightly easier for you by guiding you, by at least allowing you to verify your final answer. Because they ask you to show that it's 4.5. So if you get something other than 4.5, then you know that something went wrong over here. Okay, so over here, you need to think about this. Okay, CD, okay, the side CD, right, the length CD is not part of the big triangle. Okay, it's not say not part, okay, it's not directly, okay, a side in the big triangle, neither is it directly a side in the small triangle. Okay, which means that we can't find it directly, okay, by using the concept of the ratio of corresponding sides are equal for similar triangles. Okay, so over here you can see that CD is actually part of the side AC, right? Okay, and it's an extension of the side AD of the smaller triangle, right? Okay, so this means that actually if we want to find CD, what we can do is we can find AD first. Okay, because if we find AD and we are already told that AC is 12, right, then we can do a subtraction to find CD, right? Okay, so that's basically what we're going to do. Okay, so now we're going to try to find AD, right? Okay, so over here, let me write down the similarity statement first. So the two triangles that are similar will be triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, right? Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to find AD. So if you watch my other videos on similarity, okay, usually I like to put the thing that I want to find, which is now AD right on the top left hand corner. So over here you can see AD belongs to the smaller triangle. AD will correspond to AB in the bigger triangle. So this will be AB. Okay, then on the right side, usually what we need to do is we need to put a pair of lengths that we already know the value. So if you look at the smaller triangle, there's only one length that we know the value, which is AE. Okay, so this is what we're going to put. Okay, so AE in the smaller triangle will correspond to AC in the bigger triangle. So this is what we have. Okay, so remember, this is a smaller triangle over the bigger triangle, smaller over bigger. Okay, so on both sides, it has to be this way, right? Okay, so now let's plug in the values. So AB is 10, okay, 10 cm. Okay, then AE is 9 cm, and then AC would be 12 cm. Okay, so we can just multiply this one up and we will get our AD already. So we have 9 over 12 times 10 cm. Okay, so that will give us 7.5 cm. Okay, so AD is now 7.5. Okay, so once you find anything, you can actually write inside the diagram. Okay, so all we need to do now is to take 12 minus 7.5 and we should be able to get CD. Okay, so CD is actually equals to AC minus AD, okay, which will be 12 cm minus 7.5 cm, and indeed it's going to give us 4.5 cm. Right, so this is the way to do the question. So if CD is not directly a length in any of the triangles, then maybe we need to find another length first, which is a part of a triangle, and then we do some subtraction, right? Okay, so I hope this video has been useful to you, okay, to clarify some of the doubts that you have with regards to similar triangles.